Manny has 10 books in his book collection. Nancy has 25 books in her book collection. Roger has 20 books in his book collection. Which pictograph shows the number of books these children have in each of their collections? It's really important before we do anything to look at the keys for all of them. According to every single pictograph, the key says that when I draw a book, it's going to be 10 books total. So looking at this, if Manny has 10 books in his book collection, Manny's going to have a picture of one book. Okay? So Manny's going to have a picture of one book. So far, A seems to be fine. B seems to be fine. C seems to be fine. D, let's get out of here. Now, Nancy has 25 books in her collection. So 25 books means if every picture is 10, we have 10 books, 20 books, and so 5 is going to be half a book. So I need a picture of 2.5 books for Nancy. You have just 2 books. No. You have just, you have 2.5 books. So you are good. You have 3 books, so it can't be you. So we eliminated A, we eliminated C, we eliminated D. The only one that's going to work here is B. Now, just to double check and triple check and quadruple check, Roger has 20 books, so that's 10, 20. Roger, there you go. B is my answer. That's the only one that seems to make sense.